It is nice. Listen, you taste the rooibos, but that burning is just immediate. It's like, yeah. But now let's see what this one is doing. I've got my little thingy here, thingy magic, and let's see. This thing is gonna be insane. I can promise you that. Whew. This rooibos is dangerous. I think we put too much sugar here. Oh, I can't believe that this one is so much hotter than that one. Right. That is your Carolina Reaper tea.